At UPAP Pay, our team of innovators is reimagining the future of auto recycling. UPAP Pay is a wholly owned subsidiary of the David J. Joseph Company and part of the Nucor family of steel and steel products companies. With more than 24,000 teammates, Nucor Corporation is North America's largest recycler and steel producer. Since 1885, DJJ has been an industry leader in safe and sustainable scrap processing and recycling. UPAP Pay is proud to be a part of this recycling process. We are a self-serve retail auto parts recycler that purchases end-of-life vehicles and offers customers access to high-quality automobile parts for a fraction of retail price. What remains of the vehicles are then securely and cleanly shipped to a separate location where they will be recycled into the steel to keep America moving.
Let's go see what the future of auto recycling looks like.
As an industry leader in self-service used auto parts, the UPAP Pay team is dedicated to serving our customers and communities while operating the cleanest, safest, and most environmentally friendly facilities in our industry. On average, our stores employ 25 to 30 teammates, offer comprehensive benefits, and most importantly, offer the opportunity to advance into a variety of positions throughout the Nucor family of steel businesses.
I live in this community and now I have a career at UPAP Pay.
Our teammates aren't just finding jobs at UPAP Pay, they are finding careers. We pride ourselves on being a good neighbor in the communities where we operate. From creating competitive, high-quality jobs for qualified local candidates to finding ways to give back, we think good business should be good for everyone. In fact, we have been recognized and awarded by numerous civic and local organizations for our role in keeping our communities strong. From environmental leadership programs to fire and rescue training partnerships to state and local letters of appreciation, we are grateful for the opportunity to give back and to support others. Our business is also highly compatible with a number of urban and suburban environments. Our retail locations are neighbors with residential areas, schools, and commercial districts. We fit in wherever we are because of our commitment to maintaining clean, attractive, community-friendly facilities.
Our neighbors like us because we're good neighbors.
For us, a big part of being a good neighbor is keeping our employees and our customers safe. Our award-winning safety program includes clearly posted guidelines at every UPAP Pay store, as well as ongoing training, inspections, and modern safety equipment.
We keep it clean and we keep it safe.
Auto repairs can be expensive. Our stores make it possible for customers to keep their car on the road, to get their kids to school, get to work, and go shopping, while saving significantly on their auto parts. That's good for business and good for the community. UPAP Pay holds community and environmental stewardship equal with all other critical business functions. As a leader in our industry, we've made it our goal to minimize the environmental and community impacts of our operations.
We do it right or we don't do it at all.
As part of our commitment to the environment, we've engineered our process to ensure all non-harvested auto parts are recovered and, when possible, recycled.
This is how dedicated we are at UPAP Pay to recycling. We take the used oil out of our vehicles and we use it to heat our building.
In addition, we extract and recycle all of the fluids from every vehicle we process. We employ a state-of-the-art articulating fluid recovery system with engineered spill containment. Fluids are pumped via air diaphragm pumps through steel piping into above-ground steel storage tanks, located within an engineered secondary containment system. The storage tanks are equipped with an electronic liquid level monitoring system with high-level audible visual alarms and automatic pump shutoff interlocks. UPAP Pay is proud to lead our industry and proud to be a part of the communities where we live and work. As we grow, we will remain focused on the core values that made us strong: safety, integrity, and responsibility in everything we do.
Good for the community.
Good for the environment.
Good for business.
Welcome to UPAP Pay.
UPAP Pay, a new way to look at auto parts.